Hello YouTube, this is Pratik here from Tic-Tac. So today is Thursday and I'm starting a new series called Thursday 2s. Hope this one works out well. Well, it's gonna be something different wherein I'll teach you some DIY tricks but within 2 minutes. So before we get on to this, here are some ground rules which will make you understand Thursday 2s more better. Firstly, it will be exactly 2 minutes or under it. Secondly, I'll do it once or twice a month. And for last, I'll teach you 1, 2, 3 or how much ever that fits under 2 minutes time frame. And plus, there'll be no cheating here because there's the timer and it starts now. Okay, so I'm not wearing this just to look cool in the video, which by the way, I do. So you can do more to this than just wearing this. And I'll show you how. You just have to flip your specs, spread its wings, and voila, you have a smartphone stand. This is the most easiest one, and I guess everyone might at least have a pair of specs. This one involves a thermocol glass, the one in which you have soda or coke. You just have to measure the thickness of your phone. This just has to be an approximation. After that, mark on either side of the glasses. Don't make it too deep or else the glass will block your screen. And this is your own smartphone stand. Another thing is you can use any of these for also taking time lapses or long exposure shots. If you're really enjoying the video, like the video and subscribe to the channel because that's that keeps me going. This is a tricky one and you need 2 Tic-Tac boxes. In any way, I'm not promoting Tic-Tac. You can use any box which looks like this. Cut the sides of the boxes and fold them in. You'll need an ice cream stand so that you could stick those boxes on this and a solid glue like Fevibond or Fevikwik. Stick these to the ice cream stand and there you have a nice portable smartphone stand. Thanks for watching guys. See you soon.